access the extension Read the Web on their computer so they can have any web page or Word document that is online read to them. The way they access this is to go to the instructional and productivity tools. And then they need to scroll down to find the yellow, blue, and gray square titled Kurzweil Education. Once they open the Kurzweil Education icon, down at the bottom left-hand corner, there's an Enable Read the Web. This will have a pop-up that adds that it has been enabled. Once this is enabled, students will be able to go up to their extensions, which is the gray puzzle piece at the top, and turn on their Read the Web capability. This will open up a toolbox where students can have an assignment read to them by clicking where they would like it to start, and it will be read aloud. In addition, Kurzweil has a handful of languages that this can be translated in if this is something that would be helpful for some of our students. You want them to choose the speech supported languages if that is a feature they would like. This also includes a dictionary and gives them a handful of other tools where they can focus as they read. But the most wonderful part is this reading tool where it will read completely to them as they're going through. Again, how to do this one more time is instructional tools, Kurzweil Education, enable, and then they have to go up to the puzzle piece and make sure Read the Web is turned on. They want to turn it off, they will merely click the Read the Web again to turn it off, and then they can continue as normal.